Welcome to 736 Cricklewood Street Southwest in Wyoming. Inside, the oak floors, which have been professionally refinished, lead you right to the kitchen with its new tiles. The house has been freshly painted from top to bottom, and the kitchen's exposed brick chimney adds a unique touch. The new Craftsman stairway railings and lighting fixtures throughout the house show the attention to detail in this fully permitted remodel. Upstairs is a reading nook for quiet moments, a closet for extra storage, and a bedroom with new carpet. And the newly installed sprayed foam insulation on the vaulted ceilings keep the temperature comfortable throughout the seasons. The basement is finished and has a family room with built-in cabinets. It's a great space for relaxing and spending time with your loved ones. A new furnace and central air have been added for comfort, and there's a hardwired fire alarm system that's up to the 2023 standards. The bathroom's been updated with new floor tiles, a vanity, sink, and faucets and valves. This sizable fenced-in backyard is set up perfectly for hosting events, backyard barbecues, or just enjoying nature. This 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-story house is ready for you to move in. Come see 736 Cricklewood Street Southwest for yourself on Saturday or Sunday from 2 to 4 at our open house, or contact me for a private tour.